Hello, I just wanted to show you an extremely quick and easy way to stress test your graphics card using OCCT benchmarking suite software. So I'll put a link in the description to download this program, but it's basically a set of free benchmark and stability test tools. You can use it to test various different parts of your computer, but in this video I'm going to concentrate on stress testing your graphics card. So the different options for the graphics card here is a 3D standard test. 3D adaptive is paid for, unfortunately. So the standard test is where the graphics card is put under full load, and you can the test runs for half an hour at a time. And the other test that you can do is VRAM, so that's good if you want to test, say if you put a memory overclock on there, you can use 100% of the graphics card memory and test it to make sure that those increased clocks are stable. So I'm just going to quickly show what I've covered in a previous video. I've got an undervolt on my graphics card here, so it runs at 1635 MHz on the core. I've not touched the memory yet, and it's at roughly 730 millivolts, which is the lowest that you can have it. The reason I've got it so low is just because the games I play, they're not that demanding. So with GPU Z open, let's monitor the temperatures, and under OCCT you want to click on 3D standard, error detection enabled. That will tell us if there's any issues with the clocks that we've set. Shader complexity, just leave that at 3, usage limit 100 because we want to use all of the graphics card power. So once you click start, you're presented with this 10-second window, which is basically just asking you to sign up and pay for the program, but you don't have to. Click start, and then the program then begins to run. It runs for 30 minutes at a time, and it shows you on the left hand side here basically what it's doing. So whilst it's doing that, you can monitor with GPU Z, obviously the core clock, I said 1635, GPU temperature 36, that's the core temperature, hotspot, hottest part on the graphics card 49, and the memory temperature's at 40 degrees. Power draw, total power draw for the graphics card is 240 watts roughly. 150 of that is from the PCIe cable, that's what GPU chip power draw means. And then PCIe slot is 37, that's from the actual slot on the motherboard that it's drawing. So when the test is running, if there's any issues with the clocks that you've set, if they're too high, they're unstable, you'll see a red X over here on the left, and it will say error detected. So if that happens, all you have to do is click stop, and in MSI Afterburner, obviously you click on the little chart icon there and just drop your clocks a little bit lower or increase the voltage, it's up to you. Click apply on MSI Afterburner and then just restart the test. So that's pretty much it really. I'd say if you pass half an hour on this test, then I'd go ahead and play some games, and assuming it doesn't crash, your game doesn't crash or your PC doesn't blue screen, then I'd say you're pretty much good to go. So I hope this video has been of use. Please like and subscribe for more content, and if you have any questions or comments, please post them in the video and I'll be glad to get back to you. Thank you, bye.